Hello guys, I am Sonal and today I will teach you how to make these eggless Kirby dinner rolls. These dinner rolls will be very soft, light and fluffy with just a hint of sweetness. They are so easy to make. This recipe is so simple that we need only a few basic ingredients. If you are using ingredients by measuring using a scale, then you will not be needed any extra flour or milk in this recipe. But if you are following cup measurements, then the consistency of the dough may vary. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. So here is the tip. The softer the dough, the softer our dinner rolls will be. These dinner rolls are best when they're warm and just a few minutes out of the oven. Trust me, I had a hard time eating these after making them look so cute and adorable. Hope you like these Kirby dinner rolls and I really hope you make these for your loved ones, and if you do, don't forget to tell me in the comment section below. For more recipes, hit that notification bell and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!